Hi guys, and welcome to Hitch Up and Tow. Just a little update of what's going on with the van. You'll have to excuse me, I am absolutely sweltering at the moment. It's 33 degrees, and for anyone who doesn't live in the UK, us Brits can't handle temperatures like this. It is really hot, so forgive me if I look a little bit shiny. But let's talk about the van. If you watched last week's video, you will see I had a blowout and created a big hole in the floor of the caravan, and had to get the RAC out, and then we had to get a tyre company out to replace a tyre on the motorway, and managed to get it home. Because maybe I was a bit upset with what had happened or whatever, I don't know how I managed to do it, but I didn't put the jockey wheel up properly. And on the way back, there's a little ramp before we hit the storage yard. And I've been over this ramp every time we go to the storage yard, every time we come away from the storage yard, not a problem. So I'm assuming that it was my fault and I hadn't put the jockey wheel up high enough. But there you go. Pulled a few rivets out around here, so you can see. Pulled the tyre off. Absolutely smashed it. So, another thing we've got to order. Got hold of the insurance company. Fine. Get 2 quotes. Send some pictures in. Blah 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 blah. I think sort of like the normal sort of stuff, I assume. So I took some pictures, or I think I've showed them to you, but I'll put them in here somewhere. Sent them off to the insurance company. Phoned around to get some quotes. No, I don't know, but a lot of companies are charging for quotes at the moment, and it's not cheap. You're talking like coming on for £100. I thought that's a bit much, but there was a company we found up in Kirkham. Caravan Repair Services, I think it was. I'll put a link in the description below, or I'll put their website up or whatever. They do free quotes, so they had a look at the pictures, said, could you bring it in? We'd like to have a better view of it. So I took it in yesterday, and they said, oh yeah, great, sort of what needed to be done. They said they'd get some prices for us and put a quote together before the end of the week and send it to us. I thought, excellent. But I needed the jockey wheel, didn't I? So we ordered a new jockey wheel, or I ordered a new jockey wheel, and I got the wrong size. That's the picture. So I had to put it on anyway because we needed to take the caravan up to the repair centre. So I put it on and took it up there. Like I say, all done. Brought it back home, and everything seems to be fine. All I'm waiting for now is the estimates, so I can get them off the insurance company. One thing I found, which I didn't realise, tyres. Now, I was always told 5 to 7 years. Now, our tyres are not that old. I think they were 5 years old, so we were planning on getting them changed maybe at the end of this year or beginning of next year. But I recently learnt that there are 2 timescales for caravan tyres. One, replace every 5 years, do not use after 7, which I was used, that's the one I was always going by. But caravans with tyre pressures higher than 50 psi, so they call high pressure, every 3 years, and don't use after 5. But I never knew that, so I'm assuming that most single axle caravans are high pressure tyres, and you should be changing your tyres every 3 years. That's what I've found out. If you want to check it out, do it yourself. If you want to contradict this, let us know. But I've actually seen it on the website, and it says 3 years for tyres with pressures over 50 psi. And our tyres are 60 psi. So Okay, they're 5 years old, so they're up to their limit. So it probably wasn't the tyre what caused the problem. It was probably something on the road we hit, but I'll never know. There we go. But there you go, another little bit of information for you. Not a lot else to say. Like I say, I will give a call out to the repair service for giving free quotes, and I'll let you know what happens. See you in the next one. Bye for now.